These are the best eggs I've ever made. I mean, something magical happens when you fry them in heavy cream because it caramelizes and it is perfection. Okay, we caramelize the cream with some salsa matcha or chili crisp. Add in your eggs. Yes, I removed the shell. Add some salt, cook until set. Add pepper, salsa matcha, chives, and that is it.
Hello, my name is Miriam and I am a proud Palestinian. If you've been following me for a while, honestly, not even for a while, if you've been following me in general, you most likely know that I am a Palestinian and I'm very vocal about it. And I've been sharing recipes with you guys for a very long time that have been passed down to me by my mother, by my Palestinian mother, and I've been sharing them with all of you. I've taken a break this past month from sharing recipes with you all because it doesn't feel right to share food, share recipes when people in Gaza are struggling to find clean water and struggling to find basic necessities and even scraps of food. My mother has always encouraged me to share family recipes because it plays a vital role in preserving our culture. And for me, it's a way to give Palestine a voice through my page and through my content, and sharing these recipes is a means of sharing our heritage and our traditions, and it's extremely important to me. And for the remainder of this week, I'll be posting more Palestinian recipes that will have educational voiceovers that will hopefully be of benefit for you all through this time as well.